We're in Clovis, California. We're taking a look at a water heater built in 2007, so 16 years old. They last between 8 and 12, and everything on the outside looks like it's in good shape. They had some water leaking over here, and so we popped off this little vent cover that covers the inside of the water heater. And so if you look in here, you can see all of that rust and all of that corrosion. That's the tank leaking, the bottom of the tank. So that's a sleeve underneath. Above it is the burner assembly, and then of course, which is sitting right in here. And then of course, above that this is about the bottom of the tank on the inside, and there's about 2 inches of insulation. You can see the insulation. But once the water gets down there, it's done. The tank is done. It takes a while, but the end result is that we'll begin dripping further and then spraying. Sorry about the light. You can see that back in there, and then flooding. So anyways, it does need to be replaced. I was hoping that was not the case, but that's why I wanted to come out this morning. I was going to bring my truck in on Monday and have it serviced, but if you do need us to come out on Monday, and I know it's short notice, but if you do need us to come out, I need my truck for a water heater. But anyways, that's the inspection. Outside of that, we're done.